Hey Internet, so today's lesson is extruded cut for our Solidworks tutorial. So you got a block here and say you want to cut maybe a hole or something, or you want to remove the material. Okay, first just click on the surface. We'll need to sketch. So let's just put a hole in the center. Maybe like a square or like a rectangle hole here, and exit sketch, then extruded cut. So you got this options, so which allows you to cut from different areas, or like different options of extruded cut. So we'll go through all and selected contour. So we just want the circle to be cut through all. So now you'll see that this is through all. It just doesn't look like it from the background. Maybe I can change that. It's already dark. Okay. Right. Let's say you wanted to cut, again, cut the square. You can actually just select contour and just pick the square portion from the extruded cut, and then let's say you wanted to go blind. So like say you wanted 5 millimeters deep, and that would extrude cut 5 millimeters. So as you can see, it's only cut 5 millimeters. It hasn't gone through yet. Alright, that's extruded cut. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, share with your friends, and comment. Until next time, see ya.